seek your permission to start the investor ceremony, sir.
Lakshmendra sir.
Sports captains, please come forward.
We have gathered here this morning to celebrate the most important occasion of the school, that is the investiture ceremony.
This ceremony marks the induction of our new student council leaders who will carry the torch of responsibility in the discharge of various positions of student council. Leaders are the role models who inspire the followers and motivate them to reach the zenith of success. Investiture ceremony is one of the most important events of a school. It is a year that we trust, faith, and hope in our newly elected student council. Every student who obtains a leadership role feels proud. Today's celebration makes every leader feel unique as they shoulder a big responsibility in various capacities for the smooth functioning of our school activities.
Delegation of responsibility and giving authority to children is important as it teaches them lifelong skills of leadership and at the same time making them shoulder a host of responsibilities that come along with leadership. Foreseeing the welfare of students' future and to train them in leadership skills, the school's Students' Council has been constituted.
Darshan Academy Dasuwa has been always inspired by the fact that students are the torch bearers of tomorrow. Therefore, nurturing them and fostering in them a sense of self-respect, self-discipline, the capacity to enjoy life as independent, self-motivated adults, and the willingness to care for others are extremely pertinent, especially when it comes to making tomorrow's noble citizens.
Moving ahead with our program, now we have badge distribution to the elected representatives of student council members. And to do the honors, may I now request our respected principal sir to begin by assigning badges to the head boy and head girl of our school. Well behaved, obedient, and soft spoken. And head girl ahead, who is smart and confident, excellent in sports. She takes pride in her responsibilities. She represented the school at zonal, district, and state level in different sports competitions. To come forward and collect their badges. Very good, well behaved, obedient, and soft spoken, and the head girl of the school, who is smart and confident. Very well, and she represented the school in different sports competitions. School flag to the head boy and head girl as a very head girl as a symbol of discharging the responsibilities to the new leaders. Now I request our school's vice head Awakin, who is all-rounder and serves his duties well. He participates in various competitions very enthusiastically. And the vice head girl, Karleen Kaur. She is an all-rounder and very good in her academics. She is good artist and depicts her thoughts very beautiful on paper using different colors. I request them to receive their badges and flag in ownership of serving the school with the best of their abilities.
We belong to God's bigger family. Love, peace, service, and unity. Our aim is to help humanity. Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy. Start the day with meditation to get the divine connection.
Start the day with meditation to get the divine connection.
Sharing and caring is our way. strong. Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy. Darshan Academy. Darshan Academy. Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy.
Darshan Academy, Darshan Academy, Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy.
Darshan Academy. Darshan Academy. Darshan Academy. Darshan Academy. Darshan Academy. Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy.
Darshan Academy, Darshan Academy, Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy.
We belong to God's bigger family. Love, peace, service, and unity. Our aim is to help humanity. Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy.
Darshan Academy, Darshan Academy, Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy.
Start the day with meditation to get the divine connection.
Start the day with meditation to get the divine connection.
Sharing and caring is our way. We study, read, and love to play.
We study, read, and love to play.
Be safe and truthful at our school, and kind and also respectful. Be good, do good, be one.
Be good, do good, be one.
All this will help us to be strong. Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy. Darshan Academy. Darshan Academy. Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy.
Darshan Academy, Darshan Academy.
We belong to God's bigger family. Love, peace, service, and unity. Our aim is to help humanity. Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy.
Darshan Academy, Darshan Academy, Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy.
Start the day with meditation to get the divine connection.
Start the day with meditation to get the divine connection.
Sharing and caring is our way. We study, read, and love to play.
We study, read, and love to play.
Be safe and truthful at our school, and kind and also respectful. Be good, do good, be one.
Be good, do good, be one.
All this will help us to be strong. Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy. Darshan Academy. Darshan Academy. Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy.
Darshan Academy, Darshan Academy, Darshan, 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 Darshan Academy.
Darshan Academy.
I, Nikamjot Singh, the head boy of Darshan Academy Daswa, do hereby solemnly affirm that we would abide the rules and regulations of the school. We shall work for the betterment and upliftment of the school, and shall not do anything that results in disgrace of school.
Fashion House led by the House Captain Anur Singh and Vice Captain Murika Banga, marching proudly, brightly representing the color of the sun, yellow representing strength and energy.
Very good, very nice.
Empathy House led by the House Captain Mahmood and Vice Captain march in perfect harmony, representing the color of sea. Blue is the color of the sky, and students march further, exhibiting perfect calmness and patience. Students marching under the leadership of Gurleen Kaur, the House Captain of Peace House, and Vice Captain Chahat, and the students of Peace House. The color green represents the natural environment. It stirs life, growth, prosperity, and happiness. Surani, the captain of Service House, leads her troop confidently along with Vice Captain Mahek. Red is the color of fire. It represents vigor and vitality.
A very good morning to all the staff members as well as the students who have gathered here for the most auspicious occasion of the session, which is investiture ceremony of the Students' Council. Today, we have formally elected your head boys, head girls, vice head boy, vice head girl, house captains, vice captains, other important members of the Students' Council as discipline charges, sports captains, vice captains, co-curricular activity, band in charges and all, as well as the class prefects. Now all those students who came here on the stage to take over the responsibility given by the school, by their housemasters, by their class in charges. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of them. Let's have a big round of applause for all the members of Students' Council, starting from head boy, head girl, going down to all the class prefects. You have been entrusted a very important responsibility by your school, by your in charges, by your class teachers, and that important responsibility is to always ensure that the flag of our school and of your houses is always flying high with proud. Whatever you will do throughout the session, that will ensure that this responsibility is taken care of. Now all of you are very important members of the decision-making process of the school. Students' Council acts as a bridge between the staff, management, and the students. You have to take care of the needs of the students, share the same with your respective teacher in charges, and at the same time whatever assignments are given to you by your respective in charges, you have to ensure that those assignments are delivered very well with help and cooperation of your student friends. I hope all of you will live up to our expectations and will work very sincerely, very honestly, and very hard throughout the session so that you justify your appointment, and at the same time, because of the same, our school deserves, our school will get the name, fame, and pride which it rightly deserves. Your efforts will surely count in that. So once again, I congratulate all of you as well as your in charges, all the house masters, the second in charges, all the class teachers, the sports, discipline, co-curricular activity in charges on getting such a wonderful team. And when I say it's a wonderful team, I believe you will prove that by the end of the session, we'll all say, yes, this was the best team till date which we had among all the sessions. Will you prove it? Captains, vice captains, in charges, ready for the task? Good, great. So best wishes to all of you. May God bless all of you, and may we all rock as one unit, as one team for the complete session. Thank you.
Attention. Patient begin.